Amigos, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Fatima Spanish Kitchen, my YouTube channel. I'm Fatima, where I'm going to always share with you very tasty, very easy to make recipes and so many tips. And I'm trying always in my videos to give you several tips that you can use it because they are very useful. So today I'm going to share with you a very easy dessert. As you know, I'm from the Canary Island. I'm promoting all the time my islands, and there we have a lot of banana plantations and we export a lot of bananas, and I grew up eating a lot of bananas. But what do you do with those bananas that are with the brown and they're very ripe and they're a little bit spoiled and they're very sweet and you cannot eat it? One tip that if you take a banana, you peel it and then you wrap it in a film and put it in the freezer. Anytime you want to have a smoothie, you just take it and you have a banana and you have like an ice cream banana. Let's start to make our dessert. A list of all the ingredients will be at the end of this video, as well as in the description box. Para la receta de estos plátanos, todos los ingredientes en español estarán en la description box debajo de este video. We know is to put bake to 350, that is Fahrenheit. Okay, for that recipe we need, of course, banana that are ripe. They're spoiled, but they are still a little bit hard. I prefer to use it that way. When they are too much spoiled, they are too sweet and they just disintegrated in the pan. We need a oven-proof dish. You can use your bananas you want, and always I recommend to use fresh orange juice. One orange juice is what you need, and I always like to have a little bit of lemon and the zest of the lemon and orange. I'm using, the orange liqueur. You don't have to put any alcohol if you don't want, but I like a touch of alcohol. You can put Cointreau, you want triple sec. Here I have my bananas, and the only thing we are going to peel it, all of them, putting in our oven-proof dish. We have here the orange juice of one orange. We just put it on top. Orange Zest is the one of the orange that we squeeze. Use the orange on top of the bananas, and now we put a lemon also. I like the lemon. If a little bit of butter, European butter, that I like to use that, and I just put a little bit on top of the bananas. That is the liqueur that I have, and I just put it a little bit on top, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon, because as I said, I like the combination of the lemon and the orange. And we're going to put it in the oven approximately for an hour, so you can have the dinner and your dessert is starting to bake. So I see you right now. Okay, those bananas have been half an hour in the oven. I'm just going to turn it around, so they get soaked by the smell, between the orange. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the liquid on top. I mean, they are fine now, they are soft, but I'm going to put it back for a little bit, just to get it a little bit more burnt, okay? And I will be back right now. So that is done, having almost an hour. I just flip it once. So now you see they look fantastic. Honestly, the smell is, between the lemon and you see is really good. So now I'm going to serve it. You honestly can serve it as you want, but here I have 3 ice cream vanilla, and I just wanted to place one very nice like this, and I can put some of the sauce on top. Look at this dish, how wonderful, simple, economic that you can make. This is the banana. It's very soft, the smell is really good. I'm going to try a little bit. It's like my mother would say that she's having sweet. It's so like wonderful. The taste of the orange and the lemon give, you know, a hint that is fantastic. Even you can put a little bit of mint if you want when you serve it, because that will be great. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If so, please thumb up and subscribe to my channel, where you can find very easy and tasty recipe. You know that I upload every Thursday. So I see you next week. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.